Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about on how to create a snapshot of modules used by a specific process. So remember before that we have talked about CreateToolhelp32Snapshot, which being able to take a snapshot of any specified processes, heaps, modules, and threads. So the first time that we used CreateToolhelp32Snapshot, we used it to take a snapshot of all the processes running in your system. Okay, and we used different functions such as process32 first and process32 next to list those processes, right? But now, how about if you want to get a specific module, or if you want to take a snapshot of a module in a specific process, okay? So we will again use CreateToolhelp32Snapshot, okay? So the parameters are just a little different, okay? So instead of pushing 0 in the first parameter, we push the process ID of the process that we want to get the modules of, okay? And instead of pushing th32cs snap process, we now push th32cs snap module and call CreateToolhelp32Snapshot, okay? And as always, the handle is stored in EAX. So what we need to do is to store the handle in a variable that we named hModuleSnap. Okay? So that is how we take a snapshot of all the modules running in a specific process. Okay? So I hope to see you again next time.